In this next Magnus video, we're going to go ahead and log in and complete some of the requirements for next year. If you have issues logging in, you can simply click on having trouble logging in and you can request your username or password again. So we're going to go ahead and log in. Once you log in, you're going to be presented with the video, which is a tutorial to get started. If you've already watched the video or do not want it to appear again, just simply click on Do Not Show This Window again, click Close. Once that's done, you'll see your name or the parent's name up at the top and the student's name here. When you're ready to proceed, you'll just simply click on Complete Now. You may or may not be presented with a question to begin with. This particular one is asking if your son will be in grades 5 through 12 and participating in any athletic sports or the TCAC program. And you can click yes or no depending on what the answer is. Then simply click Next. Then you're going to be presented with a list of requirements to fill out for the next school year. Some of these will not be repeated again in the following years, but maybe just ask you to update those. So the first one is the vital health record. This has a lot of information in it. You just simply click on each section and complete those, and as you are completing them, it will come up here completed. We're going to go ahead and continue on in some of the other forms. Immunization record form. This form is required, and if you don't have a copy of it, you can simply click on the form and it'll download for you and you can print it out. That form is required that the doctor completes. If you have that form, you can simply just turn it in and upload it. We're going to look at another form as an example on how to upload. Let's take a look at birth certificate. So there are several different ways that you can upload the birth certificate. One is you can simply upload it from your computer if you have a copy of it on the computer. The second way is you can actually fax it in, and we'll show that in just a second. And the third way is to take a picture of it from your mobile app, and the mobile app will be covered in the third video. So let's say, for example, we have the birth certificate on the computer, so we're ready to turn it in. And we'll click on Turn It In, and it says, have you already obtained and completed the birth certificate upload? And so now you're ready to submit the birth certificate. So we'll click Yes. And we're going to, would you like to upload the completed form or fax? So on this particular one, we're going to say we're going to upload it. And it's going to say upload file. So we're going to choose the file. And this particular file is loaded on my desktop and is called birth certificate. And we're going to select it and click open. And then we're going to click on upload files. And we'll give it a minute. And then after it's uploaded, we'll hit close. And you will see that the birth certificate has been uploaded and it's pending school approval. All documents will be reviewed before they are approved and to go into the file. So the next form we want to kind of look at, Social Security card. Let's say we're going to send that in and we're going to fax that in. So we want to turn it in, and we're going to say yes, submit, and then your option is either upload or fax it in. So we're going to fax it in, and it's going to say download cover sheet, and we want to download the cover sheet because it's going to create a custom cover sheet for your son for his Social Security card. So you would print out this form, then you would take the Social Security card, which you've already printed out as well, and then you will fax both to this number. Now, you have to use the cover sheet for each individual form that you want to fax in because this is a custom cover sheet. And once you have done that, you can return back and continue on. So we're just going to do no start over, so we're backing out of this one. And then you will just continue on. Now, one of the forms that is new this year and you have the ability to do is an electronic form. And the first one is the Student Parent Handbook. So after you've reviewed the handbook, you would just fill out this form. And you can make it a little bit bigger right here, size. And you would just read it. This is the form saying that you have read the handbook. And once you have done that, you would just simply type your name down here. And this is Magnus. And click sign. And this form has also been now submitted and is pending school approval. And you would just continue on down the list. You have the option to fax or upload these forms, depending on if you have them. Please keep in mind that there's some forms are required to be signed by a doctor before they can be uploaded. And then there's the LHSA forms if your son's going to be participating in an athletic program at Holy Cross that are required. And if at any time you have any questions, you simply just call the Magnus Health line and they'll help you upload forms and answer any questions that you may have. The next video we're going to look at is going to be how to upload forms using your mobile app.